Hello, beautiful people. Future me. Definitely should cut my nails. Too many typos today. My left hand gets tired for these special characters. Okay, so what do we have? We have imperative keystroke overhead of 22. and VPM of 30, which is subpar at this moment for me, but I will stay positive and keep at it. So, and the next thing we will do is Java. We haven't done it for a while. How come it opened twice? Alright, 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 alright. So, the last time we have got what? We were doing like the objects or something like that. Alright. So there's an object and classes. So the next one will be package as 6, and this will be I don't know. So 1, 2, 3 objects and classes constructors. All right, constructors. Okay. Here we will create class constructor demo, close all others, and let's see what it does. So the constructor is a method which will have the same name as the class itself, and take some parameters. It will take the instantiation process of creating an instance, and we can run some code in there. So let's see how it looks. So normally in Java, when you don't write anyone, you will have implicit without any parameters. So public static void main is the place where I can demonstrate it. We can create new constructor demo and run it. And I'm running the bad thing. I want to run this. So that's Control Shift F10, right? No. So me Control Shift F10. Yeah, it is. Okay. So now we have run it. It doesn't say anything, but uh, we have the instance which I can prove by creating some variable like int and it will be equal to 10, and then I can print it out, constructor demo.n, and now I can run it again. Right, and we see we have 10. Okay, so that is to the implicit constructor. I don't know why it doesn't show it in here, but I believe it should be visible in there. I don't know why. Maybe Java does it on a compile stage that creates it. Who knows? So I will do another thing, and that is create a constructor with some parameter. Public constructor demo with int n parameter, and we will say this will be not initialized, that this n equals n, and that will be it. What we can notice right now is right here we are not able to call the constructor without any parameters. That is, Java will look if you have specified any of constructor, and if you have any of constructor specified, it will not create the implicit one without parameters. Just saying. Okay, now we can run it. Now we got it. Okay, so what next to say about constructors? They can be private as well. To create a singleton. So this could be why can be private. Okay. So we'll create private thing, and now this class can access it, but it will not be accessible from outside. So I can create class. This will be called runner. We'll create a method where we will run it, and we want a new constructor demo with 99. Extract it, constructor demo, and in our constructor demo I will for time being go back to public constructor. And now in the runner everything is nice, and we can print out the constructor demo.n. And now I'm running the constructor demo again. It's Control Shift 10. Okay, go. So here's the runner. It ran. It says 99. Maybe I should change it to something else. So yeah, now we got 66. That's it. And when we make a private in runner, we got error. But we can make something else like public get instance, for example, and it will be if do private instance private constructor demo instance if constructor demo dot how do I do that? Constructor demo test dot instance equals null. Then this constructed no, how can I this does instance equal public void and what this must be the first statement of the constructor body. Okay, this is not the constructor. Oh, new constructor demo, and we will do 1, 2, 3. Okay. We will do and here you will put the n and else turn okay, like so, and we will return this thing. Okay, so I believe that is how to create a singleton. It had been a long time since I did it, apparently. So here we will call constructor demo dot get, it should be get instance, no suggestions, why? This one is public static, now it makes sense, thank you. And if it will be constructor demo dot instance, no, non-static private static, okay, return instance, or maybe now get instance, and we will put there 1 to 3. We'll create it, and then we will say constructor demo. I'll just run it in here to demonstrate. It works. Now we get 1 to 3. What we did in here is that only one instance of the constructor demo can exist, and I will demonstrate that right now when I try to get in some instance. If it's not created yet, it will create a new one, otherwise it will create the already existing one. So I will try to create another one. Constructor demo 1 would be constructor demo get instance 3 to 1, and then we will print the thing in it, and I will run it. And we got 1 to 3 again. Okay, so that's all that came to my mind regarding the constructors. Let's see what I missed. Constructors. Constructors initialize object when it's created, has the same name as the class and method, however considers no explicit return type. Done. And done. Typically, you will use a constructor to give initial values to the instance variables defined by class, or to perform any other startup procedures required to create a fully formed object. All classes have constructors, whether you define one or not, because Java automatically provides a default constructor that initializes all member variables to 0 or null and so on, right? However, once you define your own constructor, false, the default constructor is no longer used. Okay, so defines everything. Alright, syntax. The following syntax. The following is a syntax of a constructor. Class name, and there's just class name. They didn't use any modifier. Okay. Java allows two types of constructor, namely no argument, parameterized constructors. Okay, no argument constructor. This is it. We'll call constructor to initialize object as follows. New class, and here we go. Parameterized. Parameter. Help me, Google. Translate. Bam.
Parameterized. Parameterized.
Parameterized.
Parameterized. Parameterized.
Alright. Parameterized constructors. Most often you will need constructor that accepts one or more parameters.
Parameterized.
Parameterized. Okay, dang it. Parameterized. Parameters are added to constructor in the same way that they are added to a method. Just declare them inside parentheses after the constructor name. Yeah, sure. That's what I did. And this is how we call it. We did that. That was all? Okay, so we did even more than they required. So what do we do next? Execute program, of course. We do execute program because it's fun. Next lesson, regex. I love regex. Okay. It's time for a review. One character, true, starts with A or ends with B, true. One character, new line does not count, false, true. Oh, dang it, I meant false. Well, whatever. That is searching for dot, there's none, false. A and it's B, false. So there's it starts and ends. 3 characters, JPEG, PNG, PDF. PNG is there, true. 2 plus signs, true. Symbol, true. Okay, so A bar B, it's there, true. Get at the end, true. 2 plus, only 1, false. A dot, there is a dot, true. Starts and ends, and there should be A or B character, so that is true. This is false. It starts, and A or B could be there multiple times, at least once, so that is true. A or B, and it ends, and that is false because there is 2 characters, right? Yeah. this should be at the end, so this will result always in false. Add awk. I don't see add and awk, so false. Now it starts. Then there will be JPEG, PNG, PDF or PDF, so that is true. One character, no character, false, and finish. Yeah, let's go to the next one. Type blah blah blah. A cat, true, true, cat, true, A or B, true. Oh my god! Okay, A, D, true, true, except G, true, G is bigger than F. Cat at the beginning, false. Add awk, add is there, true. X for only one character f6, true. Cat at the end, false. True. X something Z, true. Cat at the beginning, true. A or B under C, false. A or B, true. Finish. One typo, it's cat or nothing, okay. Write regex that matches the word cat or the empty string. It shouldn't match any other strings other than those two. This, and this. Run. Great. Finish. Big and fluffy animals. Learn how. Okay, write regex that recognize dogs and cats are big or fluffy. What? Okay, so big dog true, fluffy dog true, but got false. That recognizes dogs and cats that are big or fluffy. Okay. Okay. Where is my cursor? Where's big or fluffy, right? Big dog or cat. Go. Oh yeah, I know. So this will be plus, and this will be plus as well. Are big or fluffy? There's a fluffy dog, and we got false. Big cat, expected true, but with okay, so they start big, fluffy. I have big or fluffy. And there's a dog, cat. So why you don't match? Big I have there, and dog I have there. Here's a big dog chunk and expected false. So maybe it should start with that character. So we can do that and end with it. This one thing, but I still don't see. Oh, I'm just guessing. Big dog. Okay, I'll try to match the big dog. Dog, run. Oh, come on. This cannot. Okay, big dog. Okay, big dog or fluffy dog. We can do big dog or fluffy dog. Syntax error. Oh yeah, I'm missing parenthesis. So this, okay. Big dog, fluffy dog, and here it'll be cat or dog or cat. And okay, without a space. And so we have big, we have dog, but it doesn't end in there. Fluffy dog does not work. Fluffy. Maybe space. Big dog is matching. I don't know. It's 35 minutes afterwards. Done is better than perfect. Bye.